everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a video on Adobe Spark. This is going to be our assignment for Friday. You're going to create a infomercial on a battle of your choice that we've learned about for the past 2 weeks, and you're going to create a Spark video. Okay, so the first thing you need to go to is adobe.spark in your browser, and it should open up spark.adobe.com. So you'll click there. The first thing you'll need to do is to sign in. Now, most of you have signed in before. You've got onto Adobe Spark before. So it will be your email address, which is your 999 number at CherokeeK12.net. So whatever your email is, at CherokeeK12.net, that is how you will sign in. Okay, so my email I'm going to put in, and then I'm going to log in. All right. So when you're on Adobe Spark, it's going to give you some options on what to do. Okay, so what you want to do is get started now. And then we're going to select the slideshow option. So we're going to create a slideshow. So I'm going to do mine on the Battle of Gettysburg. So I'm going to put in the title of my project. Now you can do one of these options if you want. It's like a template, or you can just start from scratch, which is what I recommend. Okay, you may want to watch this tutorial so you can see everything to do, but I'm going to just show you my version. So basically this is a PowerPoint, except it turns it into a video. So you're going to take your slides and it'll turn it into a video. You can add music, you can add a theme, however you would like. So the first thing you're going to do is click on your first slide. And so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to add a photo. So there's two options here. You can find free photos or you can upload a photo. So I'm going to first show you how to find free photos. So I'm going to put in Civil War, see what I can come up with. Okay, so I'm going to select this photo of people in the Civil War for my background. And then I'm going to add text, which is going to be my title. So I'm going to put Battle of Gettysburg. Okay, and so once you add that in, you can move it around, drag it down here so you're not covering the people, however you want to do it. Okay, so the main thing that's going to turn this into a video is you're going to be recording your voice. So right here, we have this red button for recording. It's a microphone. So here's where you will record your voice. So you're going to record your intro, and then you're going to give your facts about the Battle of Gettysburg as you go through the slides. So since this is my first slide, my intro slide, I'm just going to record myself saying, I'm going to tell you today about the Battle of Gettysburg. Hello. Hello, this is Miss Smith, and I'm going to tell you about the Battle of Gettysburg today. Okay, so you can record it as many times as you want. If you don't like that one, you can re-record it. And so I want you to make sure that you introduce who you are and what battle you're going to tell us about. Okay, so that's my intro slide. So now I'm going to do a new slide. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click plus. Okay, so again, we have a blank slide. So we're going to record our facts. You can type your facts however you want to do it. I'm going to show you this time how to pull a photo from Google Images. Okay, so if I go up to the top where I have the Battle of Gettysburg, I just Googled Battle of Gettysburg. I'm going to right click and save the image onto my computer. So make sure your parents are okay with you saving it if you're using their computer. So I will save it under pictures so I know where to find it. And then I will go back to Spark and I'm going to click this option, upload photo. Okay, so then I find my picture right here and it uploads that photo for me. Okay, so now this slide, I'm going to add text and I'm going to say fact number 1. Okay, so I'm going to type in fact number 1 so they know that this slide is going to be about a fact. Okay, and then I'm going to record again my fact. If you do not have a microphone, you could also type your fact in to make it visual instead of audio. So I'm going to hold this down. The Battle of Gettysburg was the bloodiest battle in the Civil War. There was over 50,000 casualties. Okay, and so then I can go back and play that and kind of check it. Okay, so as you can see, it recorded my audio there. Okay, so there's a lot of other things we can do with this. So remember, we'd have to go through and we'd have to make another slide for another fact. One thing you can do is you can kind of play around with it as you choose, but you can change the theme of your video. So if you want to, change it into a different setting, it changes the font and things like that. You can also go over here and change their music. Say you don't want it to be that. Maybe you want it to be thoughtful. We can have it uplifting, warm. So you can kind of pick which theme you want. That one was playful, happy. So maybe you want to do leapfrog as your music. Okay, so you just kind of select which music you want. Try to have fun with this, be creative. Then we have the layout, which I said we could change, resize if you want it widescreen. Okay, so remember you'd have to, do a slide for each fact and then record your voice.